In early November, a historic chapter unfolded for the Ismaili community in the United States. Maulana Hazir Imam, the 50th hereditary Imam of the Shia Imami Ismaili Muslims, embarked on his first official visit to the country, beginning in Houston, Texas.
या हाजिर इमाम या ले नबी औलादे अली या मुश्किल कुशा या हाजिर इमाम या ले नबी औलादे अली या मुश्किल कुशा या हाजिर
Accompanied by Prince Amin, Prince Hussein, and Prince Ali Muhammad, this visit would bring spiritual inspiration, dialogue, and celebration to communities across the Southwest and Central United States. Hazir Imam was welcomed by civic leaders, including Mayor Carol McCutcheon of Sugar Land, Mayor Pro Tem Rick Miller, and Al-Karim Ali Dina, President of the Ismaili Council for the USA. Jamaati leaders and an honor guard stood in tribute, as a musical ensemble of youth performed the US national anthem alongside the Nashid al-Imama, reflecting unity, devotion, and heritage. In recognition of the Jamaat's contributions to the broader community and the global work of the Imamat, Hazir Imam received the key to the city of Sugar Land. Later, at Houston City Hall, Mayor John Whitmire presented a second key to the city, highlighting the strong bonds between the Ismaili community and the wider civic landscape. The centerpiece of this visit was the inauguration of the Ismaili Center, Houston, a building set amid 9 acres of gardens and green space, representing the first of its kind in the United States. Open to the public, the center offers spaces for reflection, learning, and civic engagement, while housing a Jamaat Khana, the Ismaili place of prayer. Attended by members of Congress, state legislators, and interfaith leaders, the ceremony reflected Houston's diversity, a city known for its innovation, arts, and culture since the 1970s. The local Ismaili community has flourished, with university professors, entrepreneurs, artists, and NASA scientists among its members. Through education, interfaith dialogue, and volunteer initiatives, the community has contributed meaningfully to society. Commissioned in 2018 by Maulana Hazir Imam, the center joins a global family of Ismaili centers in London, Vancouver, Lisbon, Dubai, Dushanbe, and Toronto. Its architecture blends modern technology with traditional Persian forms. In his address, Hazir Imam emphasized that the center is open to all, stating, "This building may be called an Ismaili center, but it is not here for Ismailis only. It is for all who seek knowledge, reflection, and dialogue." He expressed hope that the center would lift spirits, broaden horizons, and foster understanding among all communities. On November 7th, Hazir Imam granted 2 Deedar sessions and designated the Ismaili Center Houston as the Darkhana for the US Jamaat. During these gatherings, he conveyed guidance and blessings, thanking volunteers and showering love and affection on the community. The Southwest Jurisdiction Jamaat prepared a sustainable art installation, Unity in Motion, crafted entirely from recycled materials, a testament to their commitment to environmental stewardship. The following day, the newly designated Darkhana hosted Hazir Imam for a youth mulaqat, along with a third Didar, to complete his engagements with the Southwest. Post-secondary students contributed to an art installation, Faces of the Future, representing the hundreds of institutions where Ismaili students are enrolled. This installation symbolized the positive impact of the community's youth on the world around them. Hazir Imam then traveled to Dallas, where representatives from 5 cities, Dallas, Carrollton, Plano, Louisville, and Euless, welcomed him with great warmth. He received keys to the cities of Dallas, Carrollton, and Euless, while Plano and Louisville presented proclamations marking his historic visit. This engagement recognized the Central USA Jamaat's deep roots and ongoing contributions through service initiatives, sustainability projects, and civic engagement. On the final day of his visit, Hazir Imam met with the Central Region Jamaat in Dallas, granting mulaqats to youth and multi-faith families. The day concluded with a Didar for the entire Central Jamaat, providing the community an opportunity to renew their bay'ah, the pledge of allegiance to the Imam of the time, marking the first time an Ismaili Imam has granted Didar in Dallas.
Ya Ale Nabi, Aulad Ali, Ya Mushkil Kusha, Ya Hazir Imam, Ya Ale Nabi.
The Jamaat presented a remarkable gift to Hazir Imam, a collection of 2,100 gold and silver Fatimid coins and glass weights dating back to the 10th and 11th centuries, spanning regions from North Africa to South Asia. This symbolized the enduring heritage and unity of the global Ismaili community. This 6-day visit brought moments of inspiration, devotion, and celebration to the US Jamaat. The inauguration of the Ismaili Center Houston, Didars with the Southwest and Central Jamaat, youth and multi-faith engagements, and civic recognitions. On behalf of the USA Jamaat, President Al-Karim Ali Dina and Jamaati leaders paid farewell to Maulana Hazir Imam, marking the conclusion of a historic and spiritually uplifting journey. A visit that will resonate in the hearts of the Jamaat for years to come, exemplifying unity, devotion, and the enduring guidance of the Imam of the time.